Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
Securing your employer identification number, or EIN, for your Texas business can be a quick and straightforward process. This unique 9-digit number acts essentially like a social security number for your company, distinguishing it for federal tax purposes. You'll absolutely need an EIN for various crucial business activities, including opening a bank account, hiring employees, and filing your federal taxes. Understanding its importance early simplifies your business journey. Most businesses operating here in Texas will definitely need an employer identification number from the IRS. If you plan to hire employees, operate as a corporation or partnership, or file certain excise, employment, or tobacco taxes, an EIN is mandatory. Even single-member LLCs electing to be taxed as a corporation must secure one, ensuring your business stays fully compliant with federal regulations. It's an essential step before you begin official operations. Before you even start the EIN application, preparing your essential business details will save you time and frustration. You will need your business's full legal name, its physical and mailing addresses, and its specific entity type, like sole proprietorship or LLC. Critically, the responsible party's social security number or individual taxpayer identification number is also required for verification purposes. Having these details organized beforehand makes the process incredibly smooth. The absolute fastest and easiest way to apply for your EIN is directly through the IRS website. The online application is designed to be very straightforward, but it's important to complete the entire process in one session, as you cannot save your progress. Simply follow the prompts, enter your gathered information accurately, and upon successful submission, you will receive your official employer identification number instantly, ready for immediate use. Once you successfully complete the online application, you'll receive your EIN instantly, marking a significant milestone for your Texas business. With this new number, you can confidently proceed to open business bank accounts, apply for any necessary state or local permits, and begin hiring employees. Always keep a permanent, secure record of your employer identification number. It will be essential for all your future federal tax filings and other official business matters.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.